Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going?
Hello everybody, it's me.
It is.
Yes, and I am
It's time
proud to announce that I have dumped Birchbox.
She's cancelled Birchbox. We've only been telling her for a year.
I have got another one called Look Fantastic.
Look Fantastic.
So this is the first one. So we'll have to wait and see what it looks like. Oh, thank you.
So how much is Look Fantastic?
I think it's £13 including postage.
That's because you've got the...
I've done a 12
She's done a 12 months. I
set.
think it's £15.
Oh right, well I did a 12.
If you do monthly.
Yeah.
But you do get a copy of Elle magazine in here.
Do I? Okay.
Yeah, a travel copy.
Right. Oh yes, look there.
And they are
at the top.
They are buggers. If you sign up for 12 months, you need to cancel before the end of the 12 months. Otherwise, they'll put you onto another 12 months. So that is worth noting. You get a quote every month, so you can read that.
The quote today is, "The mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear." It's a bit deep, isn't it?
Yeah.
Water, deep.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So you get a copy of Elle magazine, which is worth, it's like £5.50. So if you take that off the price of the box.
Who in their right mind would pay £5.50?
People do.
Well,
it's just a travel version of it. It's the exact same size as the...
Yeah.
It's the exact same magazine as the big one. It's just smaller.
Yeah.
And people pay that for magazines.
Well, there's nothing in it.
No, it's just ads. I don't ever pay for magazines.
My goodness.
But
have you ever seen anyone in the street dressed like that? Come on. No. Why don't they
think
put
she's
proper...
a fashion?
No, but why don't they put proper people in with proper clothes on instead of these stupid...
Do you want to write to Elle magazine?
No, but I mean, look at that for example.
It's fashion on the catwalk, Mum.
I don't care. It's just, you look like you've got a...
She doesn't like the book.
Well, no, I'll look at it.
Oh, you'll look at it, will you?
Yeah.
I see.
But it's full of rubbishy things.
You hold this.
Thank you.
And I will, let me just see. Next, the sneak peek for next month, though, I think people like to know this.
Okay.
It's a Luxie tapered highlighter brush, which is nice. And this is the hydration edition, which you need because you have dry skin.
Thanks.
Well, you do, don't you?
Not really.
You do.
Okay.
You're like flaky dry.
Yeah, I'm not.
She is.
Make me sound like I've got leprosy.
This month we're helping you give your complexion a boost with a skincare focused edition in the beauty box edit, including 6 incredible beauty products. We're sharing our favourite ways to use the contents. Blah blah. So, go on then.
Right, I've opened
Pick something out.
Right,
pretty box.
Here, first thing we have got a Glow makeup removal your skin deserves. Makeup remover.
Oh, this is nice. This is like a reusable makeup remover.
Bit like your cheeky wipes.
Yeah, and it's like I use this one, which is the Magnatone.
So what do you do with it? Do you have
just, I think you just wet them. Yeah, moisten, and then you do that. You wet it, and then you rub it on your face, and it will take your makeup off.
And then you put it in the washing machine?
Yeah, after you've used it a few times.
Oh.
They're so good. I absolutely love this.
That's clever,
There's
isn't it?
There's like no chemicals or anything
just
in it.
Add water, it says.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is. Oh, they put the prices on now. That's good. That is worth £11.90.
No way.
Well, no, if you think a bottle of micellar water is a £5. Yeah.
I'm going to have a look at it.
Like, that's £5.
I'm going to undo it.
And then you've got cotton pads.
Yeah.
You only have to buy 2 lots of that, and that's paid for that.
It's blue. And it's like a little...
Oh, it's like a little glove one.
Little mitt.
That is like a flannel.
Hang on. Here you go, look.
That's really nice.
So you put your hand in there like that, and then you go like this all over your face like
I
that.
haven't got any makeup on.
You go like this all over her face.
I haven't got his makeup on.
There.
That's nice.
Yeah, you put your hand all the way in if it gets cold.
If you want
it
to.
Could be like a little glove puppet.
It could be.
Hello.
Shall we just tell her to get in the bin now?
Right, where's
the bin there?
There you go. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I like
good
the first
start.
thing.
Good
That's
start.
very good.
Already better than Birchbox.
Yes. A gold eye brightening firming.
Well, these are iPads. These are the ones that
made
go
with
underneath.
real gold extract and
These are lovely. Hyaluronic acid.
hyaluronic acid.
These are the ones that go under here. Remember, like you've seen me wear before? Just like they're like two little teardrops, and they go underneath.
What do they do?
Designed to plump and depuff tired under eyes, these iPads instantly hydrate and cool. You put them on for like 10 to 15 minutes and relax. They'll be really nice.
They're just a one go.
Yeah. It's just like a face
Well,
mask.
it's a very similar shape to...
And you just, they're literally just like little things that you stick under your eyes.
Right, okay. Next, it's a big chunky.
Oh, it's an Ico stick. These are in everything. We must have had between us, over the last 2 years, we must have had 10 of these.
That's quite a nice colour.
Yeah, it is a nice colour, but they're literally in every beauty box.
Look, it's sort of like a...
They're worth £12, and it's an eyeliner or as an eyeshadow.
And is that a full size?
Yeah.
Crikey.
Did you show the colour?
Well, it's better for you to do it, darling, because
Why?
I'm not very good at it.
You can't colour on your own hand.
Good God, I didn't expect you to colour your hand in.
Well, then you can see the colour.
My goodness.
We should use your makeup remover and see if it takes it off.
I don't want to wet it.
Oh.
I want to keep it nice and dry.
Okay, come on then.
Right, next thing is Elemis.
I'm jealous of this.
Which is a Hydra Balance Day Cream.
I love Elemis. This is
look, I'm going to
worth £19.90 apparently.
If it's a full size one.
No, Elemis is like 40 quid of normal size.
So
but it's lovely.
It like this.
I love Elemis stuff.
It
Formulated
nice.
to provide... Yeah, they do. Formulated to provide continuous hydration. This day cream keeps your complexion soft and supple.
Oh, doesn't that smell
Designed
lovely?
for a normal to combo skin.
Oh, yes.
The moisturiser contains meadow sweet extract.
Oh, gosh, there you go.
And hyaluronic acid.
Oh, this
So
hyaluronic acid. It didn't exist a while back. They've made it up and it's in everything now.
But it makes your skin feel nice. So.
I don't know. I think it's just something they've called something else just to make you pay more.
Maybe.
There, that
smells lovely.
That smells absolutely... No, it's not doing it. It doesn't like me.
No, it's not you. Look, you just need to... The camera doesn't like anybody, to be fair. This camera's a dick. But, there you go. See, you just have to kind of...
Okay.
Right,
that's 4 down.
Yep.
The next one is an Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel.
Yep.
What do you do with that then?
I think it's just like a body lotion. Yeah.
Body gel.
Yeah.
Right.
Grapefruit, rosemary and juniper. Oh, it smells lovely.
Smells clean.
Smells really nice. Yeah, and that's just gone in.
So it's instead
And
of
that
like
is
a body
£12.
lotion. The cat scratched me, look.
Oh,
Clive scratched me the other day.
If you don't know who Clive is, you need to go onto my Instagram stories because I've got a photo of him FaceTiming my dog. Yeah, that happened.
And then the next thing is the heaviest thing in the box, which is a
naobay
Detox something or other.
micellar water.
Oh right, so
That kind of defeats the object of getting
blue
the blue thing, but it's a nice big size.
So that's just like a makeup remover.
Yeah, purify, prepare and cleanse skin with the natural micellar water enriched with green tea and aloe.
Oh, I think I've done it, Lou.
Yeah, so you put that on a cotton pad, but that does kind of defeat the object of having the reusable.
Could you use that as well?
Well, you wouldn't need to. No, this will literally just take your makeup off without... Look, go wet this one.
No, it's alright, darling. It's fine.
sure?
Positive.
It
Well,
does.
I'm quite pleased.
I
with
think
all
that's
of
a
the
really
things
good
in
box.
theirs. That is
It is always a good box.
So how much is the whole box worth?
Oh, make me add shit up. Right, use your brain. Here you go, £19.90.
Well, that's 20.
£5.99.
That's 6. That's 26.
12.
38.
12.
50.
12.
62.
11.
£73 approximately.
There you go. Well, there you go, hyaluronic acid. You can read all about it later,
I
Mum.
wonder what its chemical formula is. Has it got one?
HA.
That's not a chemical formula.
I don't know. If anyone knows the chemical formula of hyaluronic acid, please let Mum know, because
I'm not that
she's
bothered.
desperate to know.
I'm not desperate to know. But it's not like hydrochloric or nitric, is it? H2SO4 or HCl, is it? Hyaluronic must have.
Get in the bin.
Oh, sorry. Not nice, is it? Hey? Some people would love to have me as their mother.
Yes, they would. If you want Mum to adopt you, please comment down below and we'll start taking applications.
Oh, shush. You should be pleased you've got me.
Well, I'm glad I've got you.
That's all right.
I've got one good parent.
Yeah, I suppose that's one consolation, isn't it?
So yeah, Mum is now having Look Fantastic. So
Yes,
Look Fantastic
thank
will
you.
be
Got
back on
another
my
11
channel.
to look forward to.
But Birchbox is no more. We will be.
No, I've got an awful lot of them. I think I had 31 of them.
Yeah, Birchbox. You can
There's a lot of little boxes to accommodate in one's bedroom.
Yeah,
I've still got them all.
they're probably all still
And
full.
most of them have
Because
still,
it's all
and
just
most
full
of
of
them
crap.
haven't even been opened.
Exactly.
So
Yeah, we
Never
need
mind.
to do like a raffle or something.
Yeah,
You
maybe.
could run your own giveaway. We could start you a channel and you could
No,
do a
I don't
giveaway.
want to do that.
Giving away all of
by
your...
the way, everybody, I am retiring.
Yeah, Mum's retiring
At Christmas. Yes, I've taken the plunge.
What do we think she should do?
Oh, I've got plenty of things to do. Just tidying the house up.
Yeah.
Would take me about 5 years, wouldn't it?
Probably.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, there
Enough
we go.
chuntering from us. We're off to
Sorry.
the garden centre, and then Mum's
Yes.
going to go and have a patch test because she's getting
Because I'm having something done.
for her birthday. Because Mum's birthday's on the 4th of August. If anyone wants to send her a card.
No, it's alright.
I'm buying her an eyelash lift and
Horrendous
tint
birthday.
for her birthday because she's going to be 86.
I'm going to be 65, you witch.
You can do the outro.
Right, I did have a daughter once. A very rude daughter, but I do love her, so I'll forgive her. Yeah, so if you like watching Lucy and me doing these, subscribe to the little button somewhere along the bottom.
That we can never remember.
But I don't know where it is
I don't know where
because
it
I've
is.
never actually noticed it. And we'll see you
show
again
you.
soon, hopefully.
Yeah, thanks for
All right.
watching. Bye.